Howdy there, folks. Today we're going to take a look at this ONNAIS very cool fingerprint security safe. Let's go ahead and open it up. Now, I've had a couple of their safes already and really like them. Never had any problems with them whatsoever. So, nice packaging, comes with 2 extra security keys and the safe itself. The safe itself has a powder coat paint job on it for rust and corrosion resistance. So it's abrasion, cut, and slightly fire resistant, but it's not a fire safe. It has real metal brackets on the back that are spring loaded, screw holes in the bottom so you can mount it somewhere so it's not as easy to carry away. Has your hole right here for your key. And then it has your biometric right here, or fingerprint. And then, so you want to open it up, you turn the key, and you can push down to unlock it, like so. Comes with a security cable, has your add fingerprint and code, delete and reset button right here on the top. Really easy to hook up. Takes batteries, they go right inside the compartment in here. Was sent to us for review. Makes an excellent next to the bed safe.